Today we are cooking native pasta. For this we need a spaghetti, red oil, then a pepper mixture. This is a combination of the red scotch bonnet, tatashe and tomatoes. Remember to take out the seeds of your tatashe. For this recipe I am using beef. You can use any choice of your protein, season and allow to cook. Roughly blend your pepper mix. We are parboiling our pasta. Usually add a little bit of salt and oil to keep the spaghetti separated. Adding your red oil into your pan and allow this to heat for some minutes. Then you add your salt and your onions. Then we are going to be adding our pepper mix to this. Stir to combine and allow this to cook for some minutes. To my mix, I'm going to be adding some stockfish flakes and Bonga fish. Make sure you add every orishi that you have in your house. You mix together and allow to cook. Then I'm adding my crayfish, my stock cubes and a little bit of my meat stock. Then I'm going to allow this to cook for a while. Then adding my final protein, which is the beef that we cooked at the beginning. At this moment our sauce is ready and now it's time to mix our spaghetti. So you put your spaghetti inside, you thoroughly mix this and just allow to cook for 5 minutes. One thing that will add flavor to your dish is vegetables, so use your choice of vegetables and voila, our dish is ready. Bon appetit!